Welcome back to Coloring Book TV. We're there with a brand new movie. I know no see title. The one I call Cheated by Trust. People, wanna watch it to the end, man. Tell a friend about Coloring Book TV. Tell a friend about the bad movie I named Cheated by Trust. People, make sure you watch it to the end. The movie is epic. I think I say a drama start. Part 2 drama start. And people, we did supposed to film the movie the name Wicked Girlfriend. But due to certain circumstances, you understand, one of the main person where they film in the movie, never available. So we have to just shoot something new. You understand? You know, we can't waste no time. And look out for new movie again this Sunday on Coloring Book TV. Remember what I tell you, with the back pan track. Now chat out the movie. Watch your one at the end.
How you, babes?
No babes me.
Why?
What you mean by why?
So I can't move, so.
You know say you always do this?
What me do?
You always do your dirt and then you come sweet me up like say everything alright. Everything alright between me and you come babes?
Babes, everything
Don't touch me. Don't touch me. Don't touch me. I'm sick and I'm tired of you now. When I say I'm tired, I mean I'm tired. And a time for you go. No to no.
What do you mean by that? What do you mean that, baby, you don't have to go, so?
Don't touch me.
You don't have to go, so you don't have to, just calm down.
Davy.
Just.
I said don't touch me.
Give me a foot and rub some, baby, I'll find your foot. Oh, yeah, no, so.
When if you rub baby help on my foot while you're there out a road that do your dirt. Imagine how much time you do things to me and me take you back, right? Make up things, you do it again, over again, till watch there. Sickness you can't give me. I eat this, man. I eat this. And even with the sickness, me take you back and me I try with you and it coming like it only I get worse.
Nah, get no worse. We just have to try.
So me pack up your things them.
Baby, so you're serious?
Me dead serious. Just go on.
So we can continue try.
Continue try? For why? Tell me.
Baby, you don't have to go somewhere. We can
Tell me what we are trying.
Baby, we are trying to save a relationship. Look how me not give up on you. Look how me make breakfast for you sometime. Look how me I treat you.
That is not enough. A disgrace you bring upon my name. Me got a doctor yesterday because me not feel good in my head. High blood pressure me have. Young girl like me have high blood pressure. What more you want? Do I kill you? Want to kill me?
Baby, but me not have high blood pressure, so I can't make you that. Alright.
You know say come like a joke you take me for just go on, man. Me make you get the rest of your things them. Go on.
Baby, please, don't do this. Don't do this. You don't have to go, so. You know, so me I know the best, but me I know the worst neither. You don't have to go, so.
Davy, me really love you, you know. I'm not gonna deny the facts that I love you, you know. But not because me love you means say me fi put up with you and endure everything where you put me through. You understand what I say? For example, me find all your underpants, right? With a stain in it. Me I wash it. And no, just tell me now. So every time you tell me say you're gonna change, you go out the road and you're gonna do your dirt. And I pay evidence you live.
Remember say change and just overnight. You can't just snap my finger and become a total different person. So it take a time. It take a time.
Listen, just listen what me I say. Listen. You see if you make peace reign between me and you, just go on. Please. Me love you enough to end this relationship. So right now, it done. DONE, done. finish. Just go on, David, please.
You will think about it.
Just go on. God, no, start. The man come like he want mad me. Hello, cuz. You the home? Me come check you right now. You don't move from where you there now. Me come. Cuz.
Hey! There, come in. Watch ya. A long time I not see you.
Girl.
Life a show up on your door.
Life a show for me. You look like life a show for me.
What you mean? You don't see you're here. I have a happy weight. How?
It come like a stress weight this me have on. Right now, Pinky. Me stress. Me stress. I don't understand.
Me understand. What name stress? Alright. Spill the beans. What going on with them, my cousin?
A peer problem David and give me.
What kind of problem David and I give you?
Woman problem. Cheating and all this. And they come in late and they look weird. They have 2 days boy not come in.
Hey. 2 days? Well, me not gonna tell no lie. My man never sleep out for me yet. But right now, you just come here so make me just feel insecure about for me man. Remember you know, for me man and fear man a friend you know. Best friend you know. So when you come here so now I can't tell me about oh your man sleep out for you for 2 days woman problem. Where you left me for think about? Eh? Where you left me for think about?
Your man not get a problem.
Eh? Where say?
Your man not get a problem. Me not think so. Me not think
Girl,
so for true.
they say, show me a friend and me tell her who you are. No can't tell me about my he not get no problem now. But he soon start the problem because if your man a cheater, him soon become one cheater too. You can't tell me nothing cause you can't tell me, you don't come convince me already. You can't tell me nothing.
What me convince her with me? I tell her about my man problem and what do this
yes,
girl, man?
you tell me about your man problem, but here we go on now. Them a friend. So fireman a cheat, him a cheat too. So what you tell me say cause?
Listen, if you don't have concrete evidence, the man not cheat. No worry about that. Just let me tell her for my problem now.
You think a concrete evidence me want? Eh? You think that me want?
No, what do you?
Me want boom in the head.
This
me
morning.
find out talk.
Sit down with there now. Mama, this morning me have to run him out, you know. When me say run him out, pack up in some of the things them and put him out. Cause me done with him. Me done, me done, me sick and me tired. I David and now.
Hey. Hi. So cause I saw body gone too. If you have to put him out. Hey.
Half of the story haven't been told. Yeah? You would even understand and know what they go on. Me have to put him out. Me don't want him no more. Like, him a old news right now. Him a sprat. Can't manage him, man. He give me too much stress. All pressure me have, you know.
Hold on there. Make your pressure go up for a while. Hold on there. Where this a man a there how long? I don't understand this a man. This a man. I don't like the man a style. Look how long he gone. Me want him yes side of me. Me can't see him. Me can't watch him. Because when you can't tell me say me no want no girl a thief him right. That's how me want him to watch him. Hold on your pressure now. You feel like you're stress.
Watching the man now go do nothing. Because see how me some used to watch David and right under me nose in give me bun. So you can cut there and feel say watching man go make them a give a bun. Top thing say the man a give a bun, girl. I don't know me come here so come and tell her them I sit there for.
Alright, here we go on now, cause here we go on. Take it easy. Everything is on me. You must find one new man. Later. Later, cuz. Take it
Me
easy.
no like how
Later,
you act, but
later.
Little more.
Me good, man. Me good. Later.
Ano ba na nag man?
No. Bad girl na nag, man. Can't trust, man. So me not tell them and I say enough it pass 2 beep. Hey. Hey. I want them man a really depend. And me ma play with. He come like this man I want me in an argument.
Babe. I want
Hey, come here. Come.
No.
Come now, come, man.
No, so make you so hostile.
Why you take so long?
Because you're like, I mean, I have me but answer the phone. I want you.
Why you take so long? Look how long you gone. Why you take so long? Answer a question.
Listen to me, honey. You know the time in base for what I go do. You don't know what I go do, what I go? Something to do. Hurry up with people and... It's like I understand. I go pay the blinking bill them and make it sound like it's a problem. You have to join line, you know?
Join line a one. But you take too long.
So make it never come.
Normally when you go down there, you come back fast. So answer a question. Yeah. Why it take so long?
It depends on the amount of people. You must say a month, everybody go pay them bill. The last time, enough time when we have the money and we pay based on the timing of the month. But what is for?
You know what, come here. I don't believe you. I smell you.
No, sir. Sitting really going with you.
Hey.
Where you drink? How you eat?
Where me drink?
Come and smell you.
I am not a drinker and I am not a smoker.
Turn around, me see you. No, something must wrong. Babe, me and I been and we cuddle up and we talk and we have this wonderful relationship.
Hey, you feel,
so how does this instance everything change?
You're lucky me not smell nothing for you now.
You
So
can't
you're
smell.
lucky so me not smell nothing for you. You must feel like me a ramp with you. You think you can come give me bun?
We give you a bun. So long as someone relax
Me
yourself,
say you
man.
feel like you can come cheat for me and I feel like I saw you go.
No, man, this has sound like something. No, man, some dopey jumping here since we move out. Since this morning, you walk go some graveyard. Eh? You walk through graveyard.
Hey, let me tell you something.
Eh?
I just want him to go make you know.
No, stop.
If you give me bun under silence. Now give me it in front of my face and make everybody see where you give me bun. You understand what I say?
Listen, what I say.
Eh?
No bun.
You understand what I say?
No bun nangi. Some understand where you're gone to that level they have saying bun from. No, me not. You not even like when you bun, much less. Me not like when you bun. And you come talk about bun, but who check this morning? Somebody come check this morning or something? Talk to me, some evil spirit walk through that door this morning.
Then if you feel like evil spirit walk through your door, see olive oil over there, so they come sprinkle out.
No, I mean if you
sprinkle out evil. A matter of fact, though, you know, see.
Me need to sprinkle some for you because nothing can work 700.
You try mind to make that touch me, you know.
You mean you may sprinkle it? Watch it. Something really are going. Watch it. No, babe. You're right. I'm nervous. What going? What happened since we leave out there, sir? Talk to me now and be honest with me. We can't have this wonderful thing and break it because that's
hello.
Eh?
You see like David and a cheat on the woman. Me no want. I remember saying no. Yeah, par with David and so if him a cheater, you a cheater too. And you can't tell me nothing.
Alright, listen me say. Listen me say. You see the relationship that you have with your friend. What the girl name? What's she name? What's she name again?
Tia.
Is it a girl named Tia? Me need to unfriend her or uncousin her.
No.
For this relationship work, you have to go uncousin her. I the best way that me say right now, cause you can't have she come in with fear problem and she put her problem on full relationship. Why is it coming and wake up now?
Are you for wise up and wake up? Me say once a friend a cheater, you a cheater.
No,
and the argument done.
But so
argument done.
So if Tia a problem, you have a problem too.
Me chip with that.
You see you? You're gonna make a great thing fall into peace because
and no matter of fact too, you're lucky. And no matter of fact to me cook, I name it, I'm wash out by the pot. You're lucky.
Them the style you gone to know. Them the dirty style you gone to know. Feel good relationship gone to dirty style. Eh? Might as well buy one. Hey, see you? I'm not going to see nothing because I know you're going to regret it because you're going to take a customer one night.
Buddy.
Everything good, man. Yeah?
Nonsense, rubbish.
I'm soon forward.
Abonia.
Oh! Give me phone. See,
So you go check again now.
Alright, keep your phone. See phone.
I check again now.
When she call, answer it. And tell her I say you cook. But you name me half.
When which get?
Thank you, Father God, for one more day. I threw me in the bed last night, man. The water gone, man. We'll get some water in the morning. We'll sleep up here and sit. Davidan.
Yo.
Bro, how are you?
Forward, man.
I wonder if I dream, I dream that.
I'm there from my man, but 2 minutes want to wake you. I pray.
You feel like?
You feel it?
Me son a dream, I dream. How are you, boss?
2 minutes want to wake you, man. I'm there.
So you go with bag?
I say I want to look up. But I can't even tell you. I know say I'm going to put me out. I'll put me out, man. So I want dirty dog when I'm change, so I have to go outside.
You want dirty 2-foot dog when I change?
Boy, I just sometimes.
I joke here, my car, David. Can you remember no left, no gone back?
No, I.
No cuss, no fight, no. I joke here, my car.
Hey, me put me on the show, man, but I just sometimes, man.
Like, put out your. Where you go to do and come back, or put out here, go to do and come back.
Alright. If you tell the truth, he put me on for real, you know. Like, in my mind, but in my mind, I'm really psycho. Come in with me, and boss said, he never really put me on it like this still, but I feel like now I go back still. I just sometimes, I get some.
You feel like you go back? Yeah. Tell me, say the woman, show out your man, really look at dirty ways them. All the women tell you, say, you have a good woman and you're over and sitting, chew out you.
You want to call her now?
I chew out you. Chew out you.
Me I tell her, say, put me on.
Cause say, no man, see all dirt on your back and sitting, man, I chew out you.
He just put me on, man. I just put me out. No one see a throw out.
Father God, you would.
No one see a throw out.
Early out here, so make a name.
No, I throw me name and wake you. Me I tell her, throw your good little sleep.
Me not cuss you or bash you, no. Me always a want and I tell you, say, yo, sometimes you have to go calm down and one part in a life where you have to go realize say you have a good woman, but right now you man throat and you still need to realize say you have a good woman, my friend.
I know that, man. That's why I know say I'm going to take my back.
Well, like the way you think, it's a ledge. Say you think you're going to take your back, but it's not a ledge. Say I'm going to take your back. But you no disrespect, you know, bro. Whole heap you put a woman at you, you know. Whole heap, you know, bro.
I true, man. I true.
One time, your woman called me and say, me give David and robbers. For all. Me say, yes, I feel me them. And then he put me in a problem with my woman now. And whole heap you put him through, you know, bro.
No, man, I don't have a problem that, man. But say you give me for all and I can't have a problem to see that.
You see it? You still now come to the fact that me bail out you.
No, you bail me out for true. I respect that's why.
And you say I go buy a cold beer and you go buy me beer.
I true it ain't cold.
So you ain't hot?
But you ain't say hot beer. A cold beer, man, I agree upon.
Well, you have a pint still, but big man level, David, like, what you gonna do? What you gonna do?
Me there from me there, sir.
Cause kitchen can't weave all the pot them, you know. When me have in there, you know.
You know, no space and
I tell you bed, but I'm dusty now. And me have to go discuss this with mommy and me GC and me, cause me and you puppet and public. Brother, all our grew up together, you know, brother. All of a few phones should do all of our ranks. So me can't leave it hanging, bro. Me have to talk to mama. Remember say same situation where you know, bro. Me used to inherit, you know. When me have one good cow me hard and never realize say you can give me milk, you know. And me used to cheat on him, you know. But at least me get a chance, he can come talk. Wish me not talk and you never not hear. So right now, mama supposed to go out on the road and for shopping and so I have to talk to him.
That good, man. If you talk to him, man, you go through me and look up place and I can build back still. Feet and build. If my boy now go nowhere, but if he know he could still. That's if you not get through in a car. You know.
So, but yeah, one man, he come like a day from early. If you want go there, lie down, you know, bro, and cool on energy, no problem, you know, till me come talk to him, you know, bro. Because I say we are G no matter where, you know, bro. You see me?
as me say, me now bash up. You make your mistake, maybe you correct it the hard way. Me make for me and me correct you and me there, so. So, me just tell you.
Respect, man.
Sorry.
Yeah, me still won't go there still.
So you want me shout him or not shout? I just make it stay.
Wait till him forward, man. Oh, mama.
Yeah.
Yeah, man, that would have good, man.
Yo, watch out, man.
Yeah.
We understand that sometimes we have to play a man role. But sometimes, bro, sometimes we have to just start it through. Bro, if you still love her, you know, dog, and you realize you make a mistake, you know, bro, me can't correct you, you know, and you have to correct you, you know, bro. So don't play a man yourself. And know, say deep down inside, you really care and you want really want to fix back things, you know, bro. Or maybe she tired of everything what you do.
You have a point, you know, but me I give him some time for cool down.
Watch out now. Alright, you know, bro. Just give him some time. What I feel, I feel.
True, man.
If he take care in back, he take care in. You see me? Yo, just go hold the rest up, man. Because I say you're right.
Alright, man, respect.
It's alright, bro. Just do the right thing, man. Go hold some rest up. Judge your youth. Well, right now, I'm a dog, you know, I can't let him hanging, you know. Can't see say hurt him still, but a whole of a time I talk to G and he not here. But any idea, one throat me get enough from. Mama show me one time and I realize say yo me wrong, me have to fix it. He get too much chance and he not fix it. Sometimes some people are just learn it hard way, bro. One of them days just still you. Judge your youth. Yes.
Hi, babe.
Wow.
Oh, I can sit down and talk by myself.
Yebs. Why this man when you wake me and tell me say I go up on the road. You know, so I fall back asleep. Because we not drop. Anyway, I wake up and say alright, I'm going to sleep up yard. As I wake up, I really want to say if I'm matter in my eye. David and Mrs. Sudong right so. Right so where you there?
Why? What I'm doing?
Well, when me ask him a question, he say in there from morning around 5 o'clock or maybe.
So I'm gonna see him.
I see him thing me I say woman show him out.
Lord of God.
The man in an argument again and the woman say eat this. But right now I want to be because every minute they fight, then go back. Every minute they argue, then make it up back. Every minute they say they left, then they back. So I don't know. But it look like this time for real. But yo, no disrespect, you know, me and man still you know, and I'm a friend, you know. I whole thing he put the woman through, you know.
Of course, because every time he cheat on a girl and the girl take him in, he do it again. Why I don't know why he always are doing something that to a girl. Like, you know, understand himself, you know, see something for change. And I want a good woman he have, you know. Even though me and I not close, but I want a nice girl he have.
Well, I true, but babes, they want to know I'm bridging, you know. And regardless, he must say, yo, if him can't there on 1 and 2 night, tell him, say, I live in my woman on the place somehow. But I tell him, say, I have to ask you, because by an idea, me and you there, so. You see me? Regardless, me used to do the same levels, and by an idea, if you never put on your foot, no change. So, maybe I put on no man, I put on his foot right now, so who to tell, maybe him can change and then link up back again. If not, and him I want to look a spot, I'm a friend, I have to give him a hand, I have to give him a help.
Well, when I thinking of this situation, David stubborn. And what am I saying now?
Yes.
He's stubborn so till it come like in ears then cock up, you know, hear nothing want go on.
Yep, so
He
we
can
at school.
have such a good woman and every time the woman talk to him about it, one is same thing over and over. But me not gonna lie. If a man like you change, you know, David can change. Because you the worse than David.
Yes.
Try remember that.
I must say I change because I put on your right foot and your left foot. And I change because I love you and I care for you. So right now, David stubborn from where I go to school. He's stubborn.
You know that.
And basically, I feel like, you know, you get this wrong, you know. You know, based on a relationship. But I feel like the woman do the right thing. For your heart, for yourself, or for your future.
The
So
best thing she ever do right now.
right. You see me? Okay, if you never do the right thing, me only there so right now.
Well, that's not true.
So what you say, me can make him stay on 1.5 time.
Let me think about it.
I think about it.
Alright. One and few nights. One and few nights.
You must say a special night or Saturday night, you know, so you can't do a Saturday night, you know. It was a Saturday night, a lovey night, you know.
One or few nights and the argument done this. So what you going to do?
I think you're there Sunday night, you know, babes.
Oh, Jesus.
Because Sunday night, I want to drop it like it hot. So, you can there Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. Alright, thanks here.
But a 3 day that, babe.
No matter, Fran, you can just hold a rest. If you need to come sleep night there and go back, no matter. I just want to know, so make me help him. You see me?
Me understand.
And thanks here.
Alright, me go in because I have some things to sort out.
Where have I start out?
Me a wash. No, go on for your business later.
God. Look there, whoa, me thank God me change. Whoa, whoa. God.
Hello. Good morning. Hello. Slimmers. Hello. Give me a minute of your time now. So when you come back. When you come back. A girl that like me, you know.
So babe, mean to God, you got shop and I want juice you buy.
Babes, me I left it best last.
Me no bother want it.
Babes. Babes, look here now. Look here. Look here. Out of Pepsi or me, which one important more?
You.
Right. So drink some of the Pepsi.
Me no want it.
What do you not want it?
I want it for myself.
Drink some and you get one for yourself.
Me talk.
Drink that and full of belly. Maybe you not go on. When you drink a one for yourself, maybe you not go on one. Come on up with your friend, where you go. Come like, you love me too much and even remember out this. Up where you go. Tia! Tia!
So you push me so far. Sure? You don't ramp too much, man.
Oi!
We are come look figure.
Come for ramp.
Man, let me drop you now. Tia.
Oh God.
How you look so? Baby, I stay here, I go on the road.
I'll just stay 1 minute and I'm going to some ladies.
Alright.
Mama.
How I go on now? I come have a lot to say, but I not even want to talk right now. Like, no offense.
No man, that good man, understand. Me, this attack, yeah, feel like a two woman talk, two big woman talk. I go out on the road. I will go and see puppy down here.
Alright.
But differently. All the way I go through still, I understand as a man. You see me, just sip it like a tea. 1 year I will finish, you see me? Big up yourself, yeah.
Yeah, man. You know, you can't talk to me about anything, though. I know about certain things I don't talk to people about. Like, I will even tell you about and everything I can tell you. At least not right now. I know, say, me are not close to the extent where you would tell me certain things, but just know, say, me are somebody we can talk to and me have your back. You understand?
So you're going like you don't hear me a call and you know see you here so me a call her.
Hey, let me tell you something. Let me tell you something.
Yeah.
I don't deal with little boy. I deal with man, big man. You see little boy like you, I don't have your eye to see. So you see when I see me a pass and go about my business, not stop me. Me no size, no stop me none tall. You hear me I tell you? Wrong taxi you stop. Go look for another taxi. Rubbish.
Not for your taxi more, man. I just time. Don't worry yourself, you know. Me must have you in my life. I'm sure of that. Don't ask me neither. But yeah, I get big too.
If you know, so you go through your stress and problem as a woman, I don't go sit down in my yard and feel comfortable. I go to think about you that time. I come up here and I want to find out what go on with it. You understand?
Alright, let me tell you. You see, Davy, me and Davy live here together, right? And me try my best to be loyal to you. And me get a heartache and pain, pay bone. So me I cut long story short. Sleep out at night, all those things that you can't think about, like what a man would do. You get what I say?
But if you tell her the truth, my boyfriend did stay so one time. If I give me bun. You see,
But-
same how you put out for your one. And some did have to put out the boy, you know. And all me used to, when I time I catch the extend me have to go police station and tell the police them to tell him to leave me alone. Until me realize say my change, stop go to stop do certain things. Me take him back in. So David can change.
When?
Just give him a
Martha,
little
when?
time.
When? When God come, eh?
Alright,
And
listen.
from me a little pitney me ears I gotta come. So
Alright.
when?
Listen, he young, he naive, but give him a little time. Give him a next chance. And this time, yeah, put on your foot. Talk to him.
Martha, it's easier said than done. I done with David and right now. Me no want him back.
Alright.
Too much heartache and problem the man are causing in my life, Marika. If you know the full story, you would tell me to take him back. You hear me I tell her? But one day you will understand and you will know why. Me can't go back there so. All high blood pressure the man give me.
That gone far, me girl. Fiakwa.
Girl, you can't even sit in me and feel young girl like me, you know. Young
Well,
green girl like me.
If
It
you
not
say you
work.
can't change, if you say you not go work, are your choice. Me can't tell you what to do, me can't choose for you, and you have to choose for yourself as a woman. You understand? Me only can come to you, encourage you, have your back, you know, make you feel happy and comfortable. But I hope everything alright soon.
Everything all good, man. Just a matter of time. You get what I say? But me not gonna go back there so.
Well, if you not go back there, so are your choice. But me I go away, you know. Just make sure say you eat and make sure say you got a doctor go check your pressure and then something there. So big up yourself. As me say, me can't do my yard and know say you up here so heartbroken. Me have to come look for you because me not go feel comfortable. You understand? So everything go alright.
Marika, I understand everything what you say and thanks for your check up on me. But me I tell you, so you see confusion, it a take me over. Me have to pray against it right now. Me a rake all the yard, then I pass the rake down there, so.
Oh yeah, me see you
Me a rake the yard and in the midst of raking the yard, me have to just drop the rake and come sit down. Like me just confused, me feel dizzy, everything what you can think about. Me not sleep last night, you know. Me lay down in my bed in there, you know. All me can think about, you know, is David and you know. He way me love the boy in America. So it's not hard. It's not like me not even want to take him back, but me can't go through this over and over and over. It's like a cycle, like a CD just a play back. Me can't manage it. So he just have to just go on his ways, me go my ways, and God soon send somebody come in my life who deserve me. Exactly.
See you later. Well,
come
go down,
on.
come here some work for you, yeah?
Yeah, man.
But me can't check for you again. So later.
Alright.
I pray.
There, man. You may say me I can't get a link, you know.
Yeah, right now, I'm glad you are not twin, because same thing I say me I can do a link my father in a real life. What go on?
There, me I say a long time, man, they not show up me up, I will knock 2 football and something. What happen? Me can't see you and David then.
But I want to say me I knock football in but
No, man, I know say a woman and knock football now in the bedroom, man, but a long time I know score 2 goals long there, so. Down a football field, so.
want to build a team.
So you say I deal with it?
Why youth? Jaja youth. Sometimes when I look at this thing, when I know some people and them, you know, primary, you know, high school and just go through school, come up, and you see them go through some things that you need with. Like try to give them a strength. That's what I talk about, bro. That's me want to talk to you about. I want to tell up on the phone. That's why I go through a lot. Before you talk, I know you go say, in deserve it, but I know you not mean it.
What do you woman?
8-9 straight.
People bad. So JPS finally cut off in light, I know. Human finally cut off in light.
JPS alone cut him off that on so bad can could have get a reconnection.
Yeah, but how long if you pay? How long if you pay in light bill and in and pay? You know more want a chance for man game.
He might pay a light bill, you know, but on a yard.
So how you cut off then?
Out a road. And he want cut
You're
off
right.
on a yard and he want him out a road good and they don't care about him if in fridge leak or whatever.
You see that relationship now. You know when JPS give a whole heap of chance and then come catch a thief in current and then give a whole heap of chance and make you go on and then you just get fed up one day and just cut off your life.
Yo, upon a big man level still a dog. I saw me in a room, you know.
Me know.
So me in a room out a road, you know.
But you change your life.
Yeah, but
married down and second down and all that say if you walk out play 2 football with salad 2 boy and pile 2 boy.
Last time me reason me I tell us a cartel and my style cartel took a 1 burner. And go try and make money off it. Cause so me say 1 burner a long time, bro. You see me, I mean not do it for views and the like. Yo, but big man thing, you know. David get short wicked on me, you know.
So what really going with him?
I say when mama show me, I call mama, you know, and mama say me I go change and me tell me yes I change, you know. But David get short, all the bag when you say I ride on the bench so me see me early morning, all the bag dirty up. All matter in her eye, all in face now wash.
Yo.
Me see all a crotch like in a beard.
You see David now. David now listen you. We want David boy man the girl and I want good woman here, you know.
Go on like you know say from David I got school man stubborn bro, you don't know that?
Yeah, I don't know that man. Remember say when David play ball and we tell David say yo, I know say you control the ball. Yeah.
Soccer.
And David now listen David stubborn. And that's why you know better in a football all now, you know.
But you know.
Kind too stubborn to not listen nobody talk to him man.
You say David now, you have a good man. We have to be real and our friend, we not bash him cause me go through the same. But hold on, remember you know bro, me not say you not have a woman you know, but you not have a woman you know.
No, man.
Cause remember say you get a heartbreak you know, and you tell yourself, say bro you just wait for the right woman in your life.
You know, me not know woman and me and myself alone live.
But I know
anytime I want a little front, me just hug up my teddy bear and go sleep.
Me not sound like an informer cause nobody not there say, nobody not there say you know. So why do you not tell me say you go over?
Yeah, me go over bridge, but me see say it make no sense, so me stop doing my money over there. Because what you know, you have to put yourself first in everything, you know. You can't put nobody in front of yourself, you know.
Nah, bash you, cause you see when mama show me out, me could have few girls, I could have a link, you know, but me I say me go link them, me I go involve with them, I mean still in love with mama. So me go over bridge and one and a few times with you, so me nah bash you, but me need tell you.
What this man?
Come like me I inform for myself. But anyhow, pan a big man level there, watch you now, bro. You go through your levels of woman break your heart one time and you go and hold out your weight pan the right. The right woman not did it, but a woman we can cook and clean and make life with her. You wait for a woman like that. Me find a woman where maybe she right, but me know if she too right, but me and her comfortable. I mean I same spot with David in. Bro, we just have to just pray saying change. If him not change, bro, at least we have to just there for him. One of them days, bro.
Why? Right now, I feel like a lick of lick that video and have mine.
Oh, yo, fear boy, public. So, I hear say, woman up there, customer say,
I eat me here too.
So you know about it? Oh, you need to get here and tell me.
Watch, man. Then me hear say, fee woman up there every minute, man, nag in the ear that tell him boy, my cheat.
Public?
I mean, no public now do it.
Public has 2 of when I fuse now work, I 1 burner.
So then me I tell you say woman say my cheat and me know you not do it.
Hey, you know, so upon a big man level
you
still
out. Think pan the street.
I tell you what happen right now. You see same levels where David and your relationship I go through, but with the woman, you see same levels where public I go through. Remember say, you know, bro, when me even tell mama say me I change, you know, it take me a while for mama believe, you know, me have to prove it to him, you know. No, public a try prove it to him in woman saying change because public used to cheat. But woman not believe. But you see, sometimes when some woman a cuss man say them a cheat.
And them a do it.
Me nah
You
say
get it?
me a look bout. But you want now no dog, big man level dog. You want now still no dog. Me don't know what you say right now about Davy, but I just me dog. Dog just come in and roll out. I'm mean blam with right now dog. So sometimes he sleep in a settee and sometimes.
I put him out.
No,
Make him crawl
no.
pan him belly go up, go beg him woman, cause one good woman he have. If you deal with the woman that good, if you crawl go up on him belly and
You know,
kneel
so
on
my
him knee
woman-
and ball for him woman.
My woman up there right now.
I lie.
I talk to mama. I talk to Tia.
Oh, if you see if he can, if Davy can get him back.
Well, me no want him begging no chance, you know. I want somebody more beg a chance. Davy, I him fi beg a chance. If
Like
me
me
want-
saying for crawl go up
Yeah,
man
bro.
and begging woman to give him another chance. Cause around 100 he getting them. I'm not even say few. 100.
But dog, you know say big man thing. You know say me not sound like, but you know say from a same bird dog at school, she rate you know. And with you never make him move, you know. But yo, that still, you see me? So head up and different.
There, I say me that just come give her one link and then me just say me go down on the road they go deal with something, you see me?
Well dog, right now me I tell you the truth. Me know that we feel, you know, cause first time mama show me out, you know, brother, me I tell you say, yo, in short, me scandal bag them.
Right, if tell you the truth, me no feel sorry for me right now, me even feel like more you know more story, you know. Cause I want Davy I'm a virgin. The man stubborn pan ball ground game and the man stubborn in a relationship. Me can't help him.
Man.
If he not help himself, how me go help him? Me can't help him, you know?
You see Earl, a good and bad Billy Earl.
Me know.
So just say Davy I bad. And we fall in the good you know, but we used to bad.
Right.
You still have to find it in your heart, brother. If you can't help him,
Yeah.
you help him.
People make
Him do
mistake.
better.
Nobody
People
not
make
perfect.
mistake. Always make too much mistake.
True,
You see
true,
me?
true.
You understand?
But match up your crime still, you see me? If me see me raise with him, cause I'm a general.
Yes,
Me
sir,
rate
man.
David
Yeah.
and I'm a general. Just
Yeah.
like come rate you in
Yeah,
public.
man. Room here.
Are you woman a call you?
Yeah, man. Yeah.
Go on in, boy.
Hello.
Imagine, go out and roll, come back in, you don't have no time for me. Eh? What take up for your time, so? And you may talk to, yo, that is the biggest disrespect me ever get in my life. Ignore. Hey, know what you do, you know? Know what you do.
You understand?
No, don't do that. No, do that. No, blow down your heavy, dirty weight for me. No, do that. Right. So me I say, you don't have no time for me.
I see you going to one so while ago. Just relax, no man. Why make it thing sound so? You always like, you understand, say I work. I do my thing I'm doing, you know. Picture me take it. Listen, give me a second to talk. Now picture me do it. You understand what I say? And you make it seem as if say me I do stuff out of the way. Me I go place my video call and show you me there. Sometimes I say, so babe, see me here. You like a place here? I'm show you who me there with and show the people man and something there. I don't hide and seek thing. What you think I want to go play relationship with her?
It look like
Boy, I know high school love this. You have to remember that we in the real world you know. You understand me? I see all the neighbor them chat and kind of sitting out the door. Eh? The neighbor they just chat so much.
hey, let me tell you something, you know. I 1 month now, you know, give me nothing. So where you want me to do? Go out there and get it?
No,
Hey, come.
listen, dear. The timing, sometime I done edit, I'm come lay on beside you. You know I say, I pay him back, me sleep enough night. I lay him back and I say, rub it down and thing and just knock out.
That's why my back a hot me.
Yeah, but me I say, don't say like a 1 month me give like me no want to give. You have a good, you know. What you think me there so? Eh? You think I don't joke business, sir? Alright,
Then if me have a good, you should give me it every night or when I'm tired.
No, listen, I'm tired. I don't want to pop down and go tell a friend, say, I'm a ton workless and to offend me. I'm mad. I prefer nobody do nothing. Then you go have in your head, say, me, pop down now. Listen, me, I say, what we can do from here is only make sure, say, we spend more time together. But you have to understand how we do for a living. But you know where all this has stemmed from? From the idiot girl Tia.
Hey, listen. Shut up. Don't pass your place and call my cousin like that. Shut up, you know.
But
Shut
I
up.
must eat
Hey,
that
let me tell you
fish
something. I
here.
come like I never see head sick, no good yet. I never see that. No, let me tell you something, you know. Me know you give one other girl me things. Me know Me know you give one other girl me things. That me know. Me know. You see, come out talk about tired and work and this and that. Me know you give one other girl me things.
You see, that
but make me find out how which girl you give me things that you see. What you mean are you?
Let me make you find out.
Nonsense.
Actually, I don't want to shout like I'm like people in business out the door, you know. You answer me, I say, I'm trying best to keep calm. I walk on the phone.
I go move out. I go move out.
You go move out?
Eh? Me I go move out left you.
Tie up your bum and I move out left foot. Left me? Me not do nothing, some of this journey if you move out left me. If I want a situation where me a fist in your face or certain situation you can move out and tell me not do nothing, babe. Are you, me love, are you alone? We are talk about. Alright, let's stop work then. And all these things. You see all them clothes, a brand new clothes I'm going to buy for you. Alright, so next month, that thing upon Shein, cancel it. That alright? That sound good?
So I'm going to get some Alistair.
And that Alistair, work with what you have. Wash them and make sure you wash out. And
I'm not struggling this now, sir.
you better change it. Change the detergent from the little cheap one where you burn out your clothes and buy one expensive one. And hey,
you come down there and locks up your head a fool.
Locks it up.
You see them little dirty locks you and wash from when you come down them a fool.
Look how in the argument.
Wash out what? Wash out what? Me say, is another girl you give me something that's why you move. So, I have one other girl to take up your time.
Let me go give one girl.
Hey,
come for real. Let me go give one girl because you come talk like say, yo.
Ramp with me now. Missing a ramp with me. Go over this up.
Yeah, she will play one box me. A box me.
Rubbish.
Go do that.
Yes. So, I kind of realize that Tia, I know say it's a woman moment. That's why I say I come on the road. Because basically, I like she don't want to talk to me, but the stress where she go through, the situation where she go through kind of a woman moment. So basically, what you say go on?
Well, to tell the truth, I can see it say she hurt.
I see it, bro.
I can see it say she go through a lot.
I don't know if you notice, babes, you don't realize that clothes, some of my clothes end up online. Some in I bought pan. Even when we are going to the rake.
They are grown.
Like she not rake up yard and stress a liquor or something. Right now to me come like it a kill her more with a kill Davy.
Yeah, because I remember say she in love with Davy, you know, she give Davy multiple chances, you know, and Davy still a mess up, you know. So yeah, me understand how she feel as a woman. Me know her pain, but
you see
Davy
me as a man, babes.
better.
Yeah, if you go on better, you see me as a man. Like a whole heap of chance in game, but me feel like as a man, bro, or a woman when you love a person and you hurt you 1-2 times, I feel like that is enough. But come on, man, 3, 4, 5 chance. And that's why David just play with the hearts, and right now, as she it a hurt, as she a go through, as she a feel it.
Because she love hard more than Davy.
Right, bro.
Davy only think about fi cheat and wish other woman and next
Why
step.
you? No, bro. I just hope say she can get over it. Not say me a pick side, but like me and your situation where you not go through after me realize say me wrong and what me do, and now me put myself like in a fair position and realize say yo she a go through a lot, bro, as a woman. So me just hope say she get over it. If them even a link back, just hope say she get over it. Still me not tell her, bro.
So alright, me just go continuously go check on her and talk to her, you know. Make sure know that she have a friend, even though we're not close like that.
The right thing to do, man. And maybe you go through the same situation.
Me understand what she a go through, and me understand how she feel and the pain them what she a feel.
And come like she a talk like she not go take back Davy, not true?
She not do, she don't want back Davy. She don't want him back none at all. She say she give him too much chance.
Basically Davy not talk say yo when you cool down me can talk to her, but me don't want to talk to her if she look back a chance Davy. I just want to talk to her if you can feel what she a go through and could have motivate her. Wish you do that already, you see me? Yeah, bro, Davy have to just deal with that himself, you see me?
Davy alright, Davy no want nobody.
Boy,
Davy
come
look
like
somebody
time.
fi settle down.
Well, that's what them say, you know, who can hear go feel, you know. And you not go hear until you hear. But you come like just 1 month, you know, or 1 year for relationship problem. Thank God me you go through it and we understand each other feelings and understand each other out there. So cause you come like the next youth up so I go through a lot same way with the man film relationship with Pinky. So
That's for them business.
yeah, you see me?
As long as me not go through no problem with my relationship.
Well, you're right on that. We can't take up people problem from where if we can't help them, we help them. If we can't help them, everybody have to face their own problem, you see me? So we are planning for there now.
I'm planning to go home, girls.
Tired?
Yeah.
Alright, if you want to move, you just move then and go up. The reason why I mean, walk come out and start show the youth thing over there, you see me? Come like in sleep, so I just walk come out of tree, you see me? So you say, want to go over here now?
Yeah, come on.
Later.
Yeah. I don't want, you usually me take too long to talk to you because I don't want to come like I want, recurring decimal. You know what I mean? But I only come bridge now forward. See? Come here to show my voice on
You see it?
some business
You see it?
proposition.
And that me a talk about.
Very much
And this me a talk about. Listen, it come like say, you lick your head or something. You lick your head or something.
No, so
Every
so I can take
time.
out the pressure upon it.
Listen, every time you go check bridging this, bridging that. You know say a woman you go check. And you use bridging as excuse. A woman you go check. But let me tell you something, you know.
No. Listen to me, no,
Listen
man.
now.
Wait, no, man.
Let me tell you something. What even they throw me down on the bed? Me swear things say a something you go give me.
I'm tired.
You put me on the bed like a statue.
But me hug you up and kiss you up and then me tired. You realize me fall asleep.
Listen to me now. You see what goes around comes right back around.
What you mean
You
goes
see?
around, comes around?
Stop telling me for that.
So what is going
Stop telling me for
around?
that.
What is going around and stop pointing for me like say a problem me a cause in your life? I do nothing. It's like me as a man. What? It's just circumstances make me so tired. When you pop on the line and drop, you know when you drop, babe. Sing back. Relax, man, and calm down, man. You just, a long time you rub your shoulder. Just relax, no, man. Remember them good days, yeah?
You don't have no time for me.
Me have time
And that
for
me
you.
a talk
But
about.
because you're out here on your TikTok, I mean, you like your TikTok something and something. So me say, alright, look at the sky. Sky soon get dark and me want to link up with Virgin because we have to make money.
So I better more on TikTok. Why you not
just saying.
call TikTok me and service me in
Yeah,
a
that's
room?
what go on, I know, but I get the money for, I collect the money first now. Me have to collect the money, babe.
I
My
don't know
bills,
money you go collect.
A
A
business.
woman you go check. A woman you want to go there go give service.
The love of God,
Why
why
you
you
say,
keep on a
what
service
goes
woman
around comes right back around.
So what is going around? Nothing
You
go
so
around.
know, you
What
so
mean say
know.
me so know?
You see, go and tell me for idiot.
What mean take it for idiot?
Go and tell me for idiot.
Just something up inside your face.
I'm a beauty spot. Rubbish. Go on. Cause road a fear, road a mother. Go on.
What you mean? Babe, you know me love you already. You're my number 1. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. There's no space with
man.
nobody. You don't understand that something
Hey,
like
come here that the streets belongs to you. Go on.
no street. Me not street. Me
You
I got
gone
business
to
me
the
I sort out.
dog. Go on.
Take it into your face, man. Boy, me I tell you, me no know. Right now, I want to go and a business. Boy, me want to stop because you have me feel like me not do nothing. You know? This a boy, you know, do nothing.
Hold on there. What you say? You want to go? Boy, yeah, stop. I not stop, yeah, stop. I go, you want to go. You're too damn lying. Me know you.
Alright,
Me know you.
You see a pocket? If me not come back with money in a pocket, you can't blame me for anything. You understand me I say? If me not come, look, me not have money in my pocket now. Empty pocket. But if me not come back home with no money in my pocket, then you can't say anything. I mean, I got no bank yard. But if me go draw money at a bank and just go on like me, fill in the gap and make a borrow no money for the body. Me know you want to close all the negative doors that you might pull up.
Listen
Look
to
for
me
the in your ears. What you me pay for? How much you me pay for this year?
Run
It no free, no cheap.
Run $4.
Which $4 what? Yo, Tada.
A sheen, you know.
Which Sheen? This is not comfort. This is not a Sheen
Give
one.
me your pass before you mash up because you're bad
This
mind
is
like
not
that. Give
the
me
shit.
it.
You mean bad
I
mind?
first man, me say bad mind and woman. Give me it.
Bad
You
mind.
dey tell me where you buy me
This a boy,
how much I pay for
me
it.
tell me I remind
Oh.
you. All that shirt here. Jesus Christ, man. You love my shirt here? I'm going to test me to buy one, the female version.
You see it? You see where you gone for now?
No,
me
Mr.
tell us me go buy you one. The female version. See you ready one next girl for wear your shirt than me.
No,
you have to be happy not talk about your buy me one next
but
one.
I try to explain to you what the things them what me I do you know if you go rush go do if you come back.
Don't grab me so. Cause in I bed with you no grab me so.
Jesus Christ. Eh?
What's that?
The school man. Relax now, just calm down. It's just so tense. Alright, I promise you, I'm come back. May I go sort out. Yeah?
Alright.
But I must say you the point top.
Okay.
Some yeah? Love you, baby. You alone, my love.
Yeah. I better. Rubbish. A woman I go look jankro. You go on a road, me I go road too. Nonsense.
Tia. What going? Well, you know, say you may come to spend the day with my boyfriend gone on the road. So I just say I come spend some time with you. Girl, I would love to spend time with you today. I'm not tell no lie, the company really do me well. But right now up on the road, I go to one doctor office. Go do one checkup. Oh, alright then, I go back down, go relax. So when I come back, you call me here. Alright. Yeah man, later.
Slimmers. Second time I charm. Because I try the first time and I didn't get through. But hi, how are you doing?
Hello. You know, say first time when I call me. I didn't want to stop, you know. But, you know, we woman go on already.
Hard to forget.
Not really say hard to forget, but we fool ourselves when we're ready. You understand? But where you going with?
Yeah, I see your pass. You look even better than I remember. I just say I try to stop you again. Because you know something like you. I want a little feeling so you like me too. Yeah.
Well, to tell you the truth, right now I'm in a good mood. Because my man just have one big argument.
I like you, I tell you. And
Yeah.
then I forgot one little small conversation about them.
Well, the relationship, sometimes I'm happy. Most of the time I'm sad.
That's not good.
And that is not good, right?
No.
I'm supposed to more happy than sad.
That is
So that
correct.
don't make no sense at all.
No, not at all.
But anyways, I'm alright, you know.
Yes, man, for true, man. So,
I'm alright.
like how you kind of like me, I'm kind of like you. Me, I couldn't start something.
Oh, you're so sure, so I like you.
Stop and talk to me.
Remember say, you're my cousin man.
I'm an ex.
Ex.
I'm an ex. That.
Well, listen. See me and my man right now. Me not gonna say me not love him.
But?
Me love him. But me just have one strong feelings. Say my cheat on me. You understand? I'm in a cheat on him neither, you know. So.
What make you feel like him a cheat? He move like him a cheat?
Yeah, he move like him a cheat.
What?
Remember, see your actions speak louder than your words, you know.
I not go tell her no.
Like me go watch your actions and how you are going. You give me every right now for my head. If you think say you do something out there. Worse when me talk something where you not stop do and you still do it. That means say you cheat on me. You can't tell me no.
I'm sure you agree. If you see one animal, he bark like a dog, look like one dog, and walk like a dog, but you never see him yet. What kind of animal I think? That's one dog, you know. So me not see a man a cheat, you know, but if you feel like you might cheat, more than likely you cheat because you're a very smart girl from what I can see. So you know, force up myself on you, but me just say, if me have to start something, we not have to do no cheating. We can start as a little something.
No, listen.
Nobody not have to know.
Listen, yes, nobody not have to know. But we now go start fresh. We say me and you. So listen up.
Yeah.
We can hide and do a thing. But we now start nothing fresh.
No
Me
problem.
can't dash your old for you, you mad.
No, man.
No, me no go so.
No problem at all. We just there wait for you.
Yeah, cause right now, me need to clear my mind.
Alright. So, how may I contact you?
Just put in a number.
That every man. That every time when you know.
Okay, somebody has see me, you know.
No, man, nobody not see you, man. Stop
Alright,
off my
yeah,
faces, you know.
later.
Alright. My name tell us I gotta be mine. Davy, I did it again.
Bro.
Jesus Christ, youth, man. Father, yo. I'm afraid, man, boy.
You need to smoke it and stop just
What,
go it alone.
Where I pray?
You still not smoke?
Me can't smoke on something already yet, man.
No,
You
me
already
say
yet.
because you ain't stop smoke that me ask you.
Oh, no, well, I know smoke time now, you know.
Oh, money time.
Mo-
What going on, General?
There, so you look so stressed. Talk about in the street, you know.
I don't matter stress, brother, but you know people go talk certain
You
things.
talk in the street, because you know me not telling a lie. One thing with me, you know.
Eh?
Me is not the realist, and me not honest. But me talk when me hear, so me honest about that. Well, things in the street, you not be yourself, but me know you be yourself.
This that boy, yeah?
No public, yes. And in public.
Brother, say, you know, say, a good thing I bring up the topic there, cause, and as if that me come think about, you know.
How you can link me about?
But me I tell him, yo, alright, you see right now, brother,
Yeah.
me been there, done that, me do all of the wrongs that me need to do already. You understand me? I say, explore, tour, all of the, you know what I mean? But me give up them lifetime, me meet this a girl name. You know for me, one, right?
Me know your man.
Yeah, but here what I go on now is like she basically I make it seem like say boy me is a youth in the streets now. Me ruthless and you know me I do things I'm not supposed to do and all them something the brother. It kind of drive me over the wall cause you see most time when people tell me say me I do something, me feel like I go do it, you know. It's like yeah, put the idea in my head. Separate from
You know,
me I do certain things outside of the way, bro.
Me understand why you go Chino, cause basically when me and my woman we in the same spot there, you know. I same thing you shouldn't put me through, but basically
Like I tell you certain things what
when I go so. You see me? So basically me just have to prove to her saying I go so till she does easy, but yo, watch out, me not take up for you, bro, but me know say yo, you're normal. You're normal like double blank and sometimes you're normal like double six.
brother can't be work, bro.
Me
Me
know
tell me
that.
done certain vibes, bro. You understand me? I say.
So me know you're not
Me
really
want to go
cheat,
shave
dog.
at me and look. I mean, I
Bro.
said, boy, I have to done some work first. Right now, some money me for collect, you know.
You do wedding and anything no more.
Yeah.
25 female them you work with more while and but you work with female and everybody because your job. One if nobody are carrying news to your lady. Or maybe
I
because
feel say, yo, she have one dirty cousin. One dirty cousin named Tia. And that cousin me feel like say, because problem enough for them life, she feel like say, boy, because them reason about certain, you know, when
well,
people.
it tear what me know.
Man, if I tell you what you know,
It
but
tear what me know.
Yeah.
Jesus Christ.
No, you forget one. Yeah.
But hold on, so you now go through in stress so make you wanna go do
that
something
man,
like
but
that.
she a talk to me man now.
Are you sure?
Yeah, I make for me car here now. I wish did me. But I tell you, this
You
is
know
a place I
something
know.
so. Cause I go through a me and my film woman go over there and brother me I tell you can't see it in her
She-
face like them a lay black
Yeah,
cement
but
in it.
right after she left here, see me woman start give me problem. Yo, how coincidental that can be, bro? Tell me now.
Me ask you a question. Come here, I swear for you. You're not cheat.
No, brother, I'm not do them something there. Me not, alright, listen to me, Mr. Man. Me
And you
tell
not
you-
flirt.
Listen,
And you
alright.
not psst.
Hear me I say. You say me see a girl and like me go I want juicy party. Go buy a party or you know a restaurant and make a girl happy and make she laugh.
Yeah.
Them feel like me and them there. But I flirt that I also give them a compliment. What me understand?
A
What is
compliment,
it?
you know. I want
So
compliment.
what is the difference between flirt and compliment?
But they not call you. Phone a ring and mama begs or something like that.
They now call me because they can't get me number.
So I no cheat that man.
You understand me? I say, so
Yo,
what you
no
call that?
disrespect, you know, yo, if your man jealous, you know, bro.
No, brother, not a problem, man. It's like she feel like me is a person just a fling, yes, so this, yes, a fling, yes, so.
So yo,
Everybody me talk to.
so yo, what you plan for do? Cause watch you now. Me can't tell if you stay, me can't tell if you cut, I'm gonna do that. The only thing me can tell you after experience, who feels it, knows it. Whatever you go through in a life, that make you who you are.
Well
so
said.
what you plan for do? Cause you look stressed out, brother, and you are bringing your money so far out, me see, you know. I mean, I go on like your man and now, good man, you know. But you come like him and not get him stress out. So what you plan for do?
I'm planning for all I want to talk with her. See if she really,
Mm-hmm.
she really not take the talk.
Yeah.
If do the best thing for me. Cause right now, that message I pray like self-love, self-worth, self-this, me love that. And I said to myself, say, what about us? Me sitting on the computer or me would then a place I do some work and me go and I could take some wedding photos and me did me take a photo, me edit back, you know.
Me can't tell a man, you know.
Yo, me say worst thing which did to bump on that. Yo, me say from this I realize I should start pre-jealousy on a different level.
How you know?
You know, say when you take picture for people and you're there some place
Mhm.
and I thank you and then hug you. I want a little bit of makeup.
Jesus Christ! How you make that happen?
Me say,
You
know,
didn't look for it.
you know what saved me? Guess what saved
What
me?
save you?
Me have to go back to the hotel and make them run the tape. And I me have to get the tape and me for sure I say, yes sir, right yes sir. And at that time it happened. And at that kind of shirt there.
And she into there with you?
And when me walk from there sir, me meet she over there sir. So it's everything have to add up.
The people in the hotel look for you different and
People
they not give back
respect me.
no work.
Nah man, they respect me because they say boy, you know, even though they're not supposed to help me, they help me because they say boy, it help the relationship because I love couple, man. I love hotel, brother. A hotel we believe in love, you know, them hotel there. So, you know, we do the wedding and we start to go here, you know, first thing about it, enough time I go take picture, you know. And she a carry bag and me a carry camera.
Jesus Christ, public. I phone one text me, you know. Hold on, because them a woman a boy, I know, you know. Yeah, babes, I'm in public there.
Yeah.
Hold on, the public. You said you go give me. I saw them a woman you move right now, you have to them prove and information.
I seem to feel me when I go on, but I say, I burn out now because she a put me on level now where make me feel like say me I do something right now. Me, you know, and like, my mind so heavy with guilt and my heart so free of not being guilty. So right now, me I want limbo.
You will do public.
A limbo me right now.
You will do.
What's up and down?
It's like how me catch you now. You have to go catch yourself. Mama text me and say it rain, come like it will come down. And he say the time he text me and tell me that me know what time is it. So me I go link him because from what they were shoot off of one girl or one boy. Boy! But a boy me want to tell him to me so. Here what you do now? Me I beg you, please. Just do the right thing.
Alright.
You see me?
I did,
I say if you can hold out and show him say you're rare. But if you can't hold out, bro, just make me know what I'm going. You see me?
Yeah, man. But
Yeah.
yo, and my money me come for.
Which money?
Let me which money? So me go live for all the way around so if you come and come check if you not that.
Oh, $1,000.
No, I was 1,000.
How much you give me
I
again?
rang somebody I talk to. Look. Me lend them one glasses.
Oh.
Eh?
But public, look now, man. Look now.
Well, listen, me can't go home without no money, you know. So how much money you have to go find around there, so? No money that a grass.
Public, you
Not
are
a-
one man.
Not a...
When you sit there and pick, me are you good. Cause I remember say you lend me money to start the business, you know. Not true you have stress right now, you know, you're gonna be one of them friend there, you know.
This is how come like me tell him say if me not come on my yard with something in a pocket, a problem. So this is go be no one next proof something to come something to come out.
Public.
Hey.
Me have agreement already.
If I take
me have agreement. You sit there not start pick yet.
If a 5 bills you have to take out your pocket, take you out.
Alright, no move. Me I go down my machine and come back. Don't move.
Me not move.
You guys have made it to the end of this movie. Thank you all for watching. You enjoy the movie? If you enjoy the movie, comment in the comment section and tell me, no, man, so me can know, say, I know me alone enjoy the movie. More know so my fans them enjoy the movie also. People, I remember, any problem you have at all about a movie, just comment down below. You understand? So we can know, so yo, next time we should do that better. Next time we should do that. You know, so just not know people. Remember, you know, my fans, you know, I don't know if you share an opinion with we. You understand? Every opinion count. You understand? We're not too big for learn. You understand? So people, as me say, we're there, I go and put in the work for you. You understand? We're there back on track. And so we just go and support the movement. And if you feel free and you want to donate something to your team, you understand? Any actress in our team or any actor you see where you want to donate something to, you can hit up my number. You understand? And we'll do that. And if you want to do business, also if you want to send a story to me where I like to be out there, we can produce it, man. You understand? Just link up and we do business. Just number up on the screen. Link up. If you want to promote a business also, we do all of that. So just link up. I'm out.